Hello everyone, welcome back to my French lesson. Today we are going to learn few words and their usage. So the word number 1 is excusez-moi. Repeat with me, excusez-moi, which means excuse me. We use this word when we need someone's attention. Excusez-moi, où lege? Which means excuse me, where is the train station? The word number 2 is comment ça va? Comment ça va? Which means how are you? We often use this word when we had greeting from someone. Salut, comment ça va? Hello, how are you? The word number 3 is pardon. Repeat with me, pardon, which means sorry. We usually use this word when we are apologize someone. Pardon, je ne voulais pas, which means sorry, I didn't mean to. The word number 4 is ça va. Repeat with me, ça va. We use this word when we are saying someone that I am fine, I am good. So how we use this word? Also we use this word when we are questioning someone, how are you? So like this, ça va. So respond is like ça va bien, merci. So there you go with few words to communicate in daily conversation. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe for more language videos. Thank you.